Hello everyone. Today I'm thrilled to introduce you to GD Goenka Public School, a place where learning meets fun and students are encouraged to grow and share. So let me take you on a digital tour of our wonderful school and share what makes it so special. Our school journey starts with a grand entrance which shows how much we care about creating a safe and welcoming environment for everyone. Our friendly staff is always here to help parents, visitors and students. Next we have administrative offices. This is where all the important behind the scene work happens, like admissions, keeping track on student records. Our hardworking team here makes sure that everything runs smoothly so that we can focus on learning. This is our principal's office, the heart of guidance and leadership in our school. Here decisions are made with wisdom and every student's growth is closely encouraged. So now let's step into our classrooms. These are not just rooms but exciting spaces for learning. Each classroom has modern tools like smart board and comfy seats. Our teachers make sure that they make learning fun so that we can reach our best potentials. A Montessori lab is a special place for young learners where they can explore and discover through hands-on activities. With child-friendly material and self-directed learning, it helps nurture curiosity, independence, and love for learning at an early age. Next, we have our activity room, an area filled with the buzzing energy of students. Here, they explore science experiments, creative writings, and have fun. So, the artistic talents bloom in our dance and music rooms. Our dance room is filled with mirrors and music, perfect for learning different styles. This is our music room. Here, students learn to play various instruments, creating beautiful melodies. In our physics lab, we explore the wonders of physical world, bringing physics to life. With all enhanced equipments, students practice physics in a practical and engaging way. Our chemistry lab is a place where we dive into the fascinating worlds of chemicals and reactions. Equipped with all necessary tools, here students conduct experiments bringing chemistry to life, making learning both exciting and memorable. This is our biology lab. Here students practice the different forms of life, from observing microscopic organisms to learning human anatomy. This lab is a hub of curiosity and discovery. A maths lab is designed to make mathematics fun and interactive. With various tools and activities, students visualize mathematical concepts here, and it helps in better understanding and application. This is our English lab. Here we practice our communication skills. With audiovisual tools, students practice their skills of speaking, writing, and listening. This is our computer lab. Here we understand digital world through latest technology and software. Here students practice their skills of coding, programming, and digital literacy, preparing them for the future. Next, we have our art room. This is a place where imagination takes off. With the help of our talented teachers, we learn different art forms here. This is our cafeteria, where not only food but happiness is served in every plate. The aroma of this delicious meal fills the air. Then finally, we have a playground. Here, we play sports and enjoy outdoor activities. Every sport teaches us teamwork and unity. Next, we have a basketball ground, echoing with the sound of dribbles. Every sport helps us get a lesson of unity and perseverance. This is our badminton court. Here we play badminton and master the skills of badminton. Next, we have our taekwondo room, a place filled with energy. Here students learn their skills of self-defense and build strength and confidence. Physical fitness is important, and our semi-Olympic swimming pool helps us stay fit while having fun. With lifeguards and coaches, we learn water safety and swimming in a safe environment. We have our auditorium named OP Jain Auditorium. This is where all the events and celebrations of our school are held. In short, GD Goenka Public School is not just a school, but a place where students can grow and shine. With amazing facilities and dedicated teachers, we are inspired to reach the excellence in every way. Unlock the future of learning of your child from GD Goenka Public School. For more details, contact us at the provided number.